Great, great traders. This is Mdlalose with another daily Forex update. Guys, I try to keep up with these videos and I try to post every day, but sometimes trading gets in the way and I fail to do these videos. Today I've actually have a gap because I've made my money earlier today, but I'm not going to stop trading. I'm just looking for setups. I'm still going to continue to trade because I mean it's still early. It's only 9 a.m. in South Africa. So if I get presented with other trading opportunities, I will gladly take them. But now, before I go ahead, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification button so that every time I post a video, you are the first one to view my videos. By the way, guys, go through my channel, watch as many videos as you can, because there's a lot of valuable content that I'm putting out online. And now that I'm available to teach, and now that I'm available to give you this free skill, because whatever I'm teaching you here is absolutely free. If you to go to other professional traders, they'll charge you a lot of money for this content or for this knowledge, but I'm going to give it to you for free. This is just my way of paying back to the community, paying back to what I learned from my coach a couple of years ago. Yeah, I'm actually going to give you good ideas what to follow so that you can know how to actually execute good trades. So today I'm going to be talking about multiple time frame correlation. Yes, I know a lot of people they don't really understand a multiple time frame correlation, and I've seen a lot of questions as well about the multiple time frame correlation, and other people don't understand, other people do understand, but I just want to explain a multiple time frame correlation. But on top of that, I will add strength meter. I don't even know how I can post a video without explaining the strength meter, because it's one of my favorite tools, because it actually goes through the market and scans and gives me what is actually trending that particular time and say, Sunny, here's what is trending, here is what you have to trade. That's very, very important. I know a lot of people as well have asked me about this particular indicator. This indicator is available online. I've actually posted it on one of my videos here, so you can actually check on it. It's the CCFP. And also I'm going to be posting the Heiken Ashi a 4 time frame indicator as well, so that you can load it on your chart and understand what I mean. But now, going ahead, let's begin with today's lesson so that you can understand exactly what I mean. So when it comes to 4 time frame correlation, you need to, for me personally, because I'm a 15-minute trader, 5 and 15. So my most important time frame is the 4-hour chart. Yes, my most important time frame is the 4-hour chart. So I use the Heiken Ashi, Heiken Ashi or Heiken Ashi. There's a lot of names that you can actually all right, so this is my Heiken Ashi. Okay, and this is what I use in terms of seeing the trend. Also, Heiken Ashi is a very good tool for identifying the trend. That's another important thing. It's very, very important to understand that Heiken Ashi is mainly for the trend. So if you want to understand trend better, use Heiken Ashi. You are going to be trading with the trend, which is the number one and the golden rule. A lot of people don't know why they're missing that particular rule. I don't know why people like to fight the markets. I'm really confused. Guys, educate me. Why do you want to buy when the markets are selling? Why do you want to sell when the markets are buying? Even if you see that you are wrong, you are on the wrong trade, you keep on going and let your losers continue. And then I wonder, like, but how are you trading when the market is going up and you are trying to go down? Why are you trying to go to drive against one way? If the traffic is flowing that way, kindly drive that way, because coming on the other side, you're asking for trouble, man. On a serious note, please make sure that you do not fight the trend. So with my Heiken Ashi, I like to view at least the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour. Yes, I like to watch the 4-hour. So we can clearly see on this is GBP NZD, by the way. The last GBP NZD candle was actually going up. Yes, it was going up. And funny enough, also the strength meter, the GBP is crossed late yesterday, and it's above, not yesterday, sorry, late last week, it's above NZD. So we are on a buying phase on the 4-hour. What do I mean? It's simple. Color change, you can clearly see here. Okay, red, it's selling, selling, selling. White, there's buyers, and then red is selling. So with Heiken Ashi, it tries to smoothen all the noises, tries to eliminate the market noises and gives you the trend. Nothing is 100% because when it comes to trading, you cannot be guaranteed of making money every single day. But if you become a good trader, you will make money every day. I make money every day, so you know what, I know it can be done. So looking at the 4-hour, you can clearly see 1, 2, they are both white in color, signifying or telling me that it's a buying phase. So this is actually the 4-hour. So if I go back and look at the 1-hour now, on the very same thing, you can clearly see the 1-hour. It was a tiny pullback, but my 4-hour was already on a buy, of which I am automatically looking for a buy. So when the 4-hour is buying, for me personally, on the 15-minute time frame, automatically I am looking for a buying opportunity when the 4 hours are up. So on the 1-hour, you can clearly see we are still on a buy. I've made my money on the last candle. You can clearly see here's my entry right here, here's my exit right here. This total trade, it was my target was 60 pips on this particular trade. Yes, and I've made my 60 pips, as you can see. Boom. Yeah, my target was 60 pips, and yeah, I was kicked out at 60 pips for a take profit there. And then finally, I go to my favorite time frame, which is right, the 15-minute chart. Oh my god, I love the 15-minute chart. Why? It's not as fast as the 5. It's a little bit cooler. It gives you time to think and analyze the market and make better judgments in the market. So today, it's one of those days where you've got two things lining up, and you get this, trust me, you'll be making money most of the time. Right, let's focus on the strength meter. The strength meter, this is my GBP, this is my NZD. GBP crossed above NZD and started pointing up, signifying what? Momentum, right? And then on that same place, NZD started crossing down, signifying momentum on a sell. But if we go to the 4-hour Heiken Ashi, so you can clearly see this is my 4 time frame Heiken Ashi. 4-hour was buying, 1-hour was buying, 30 minutes was buying, and 15 minutes started buying, and boom, Sunny got into a trade roundabout here, exited there for like cool 60 pips, done for the day. Not really for the day, I'm still going to trade, but I can show you a lot of examples. Let me show you another trade that I actually took, a GBP USD. This is another trade that I took as well. There we go, but I'm sure you're starting to get the idea now. If I delete this quickly so that I can show you what I mean. So GBP dollar wasn't really the best trade, but the bottom line is you got a trade. That's the bottom line. You got a trade, of which GBP I also jumped in here. Right, let's focus on the Heiken Ashi first. 4-hour, let's go to the 4-hour time frame first so that you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, 4-hour has been going up and up and up and up and up. Here we go. Since I don't know how many candles ago. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. It's been buying, selling, buying, selling, selling, buying. You can really see here it's been buying. So this GBP a dollar buy didn't come as a surprise to me now, because already, even if I look at my strength meter on the 4-hour, I mean, this is my GBP. This is my GBP. It's above the dollar. It's buying. The only thing that I'm looking for is to buy, because I'm trading with the trend. That's the first and the most important thing. I don't know how many times I can stress this, guys. And I was a Forex coach for like 4 years. Yes, 4 years. if you check out my videos, you'll see that I was actually a Forex coach, full-time Forex coach and a trader for 4 years before I decided let me become a private Forex trader and actually focus on trading only. Yes, I used to sit down with clients and trade with them and stuff, and trade with a number of people, maybe 30 40 in a room, live trading. We make money together. But unfortunately, I've passed that phase in my life. I'm no longer teaching people to trade. I'm no longer sitting and coaching and doing all those type of things. I know I'm getting a lot of requests on Facebook, on Instagram, and from all types of social medias, of people offering me to trade for them. I don't trade for anybody, and I don't teach anybody to trade. And most importantly, I don't have signals or anything. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have to say that if you hear any message from anybody saying Sunny is teaching them to trade, come to my my Instagram, come to my Facebook, ask me directly if I am teaching people to trade, because a lot of people are getting scammed via my name right now. There's people that have opened profiles via my name and are charging people. I am not teaching anybody to trade. So getting back to the most important thing is GBP buying. Now, if we go to the 15-minute chart, right, on 4-hour GBP buying on Heiken Ashi, 1 hour buying, 30 minutes buying, 15-minute buying. So all these 4 had lined up, and on top of that, strength meter GBP was actually the king. So the reason why we didn't have an amazing trade is because the weakness was not there on the dollar. It was simple, just GBP strength. That's why the market just went up, and then I think I closed round about here for like 25 pips when I realized that it's losing momentum. It might go back up, I don't care, but the concept is simple, the same. This is yesterday where I actually took a trade, right, cross, Heiken Ashi's agree, you are buying there, boom, you made money, right? Yes, some days you lose money. This was definitely not trade. Roundabout here, trade, you buy, you made money. So it's important to follow the trend. It's important also to follow the strength meter, because strength meter gives you the momentum at that particular time. It tells you this is what you need to be focusing on, this is what you need to be trading. Okay, so before I close this video, guys, kindly check out my other videos as well about strength meter. I know I did a video about multiple time frame correlation a long time ago, but this is revised and better information. I've got tons of videos as well about cryptocurrencies, the cryptocurrencies that I've invested in, and the next video I'm going to be giving you my other 10 coins that I've actually invested in cryptocurrency. Mdlalose, stay blessed and happy trade.